As far as Goa is concerned, we worked with all the 40 constituencies. Initially, when I came, that is 2 years back, they wanted to divide, give so many seats to so and so, so many seats. I was only beating our sitting MLAs whether they will get any seat left for them. But if you were supposed to divide so many seats to this party, that party, I had no role to build the party. You understand? Therefore, even though people criticize me, they threw all sort of bullets on my chest, I said my job is to build the organization. Build young leadership, build new faces. If I have succeeded, it's fine. If I have not succeeded, also it is this, but effort worth doing. Today they realize that these fellows who had no time to come to the Congress office, they have found time to go to the Delhi office. That means Congress is a rising phoenix.
भाजप सरकारान गोयची आर्थिक स्थिती पेड्ड्यार केल्या. काँग्रेसीचे धोरण आणि तरणाट्यां खातीर रोड मॅप रिलीज करतना लोईझीन उलयलो. इको फ्रेंडली तशेंच बरे प्रशासन, गोंयाक शिक्षण हब करप आनी गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक नोकऱ्यो दिवपाचेर भर दितले म्हूण लोईझीन उलयला.
We want environment friendly tourism, but more important, we want ethical tourism. Ethical tourism will be the main plank of our vision document. If things have gone astray, yes, you should have a courage to say, stop it. No drug tourism, no casino tourism, no prostitution tourism. Today we will say 100% employment to our youth. We have created employment, but we have not trained our manpower to harness this employment 100%. That we want to make Goa a model administered, people-friendly administration.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी निलेश परवार.